Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and my channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is going to pretty much be an organization video. Pretty much most of you guys know that I am redesigning my whole bedroom, so everything that you see behind me will be gone. The bedroom set is sold, and pretty much it's time for me to get organized, get everything packed up so it can pretty much get out of here and I can get my new stuff in. So in order for me to do that, I am going to have to get rid of some stuff. I'm pretty much going from a chest, 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 drawers over there, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 drawers over there. So I'm basically having to cut all of the clothes that I have stored in half. So I'm getting rid of some stuff. Some stuff may go to my closet, which will, I'm probably going to do a custom closet sometime this year as well. So I'm going to have to do another declutter when I get ready to do the custom closet. But it's time for me to get rid of some stuff. I think a lot of this stuff that I have in my dresser drawers, I'm not wearing. I'm just having a hard time parting with it. But today is going to be the day that I get rid of some stuff. I think I'm going to use the KonMari method to determine what goes. So I'll explain a little bit more about that later on in the video. And I also have my rug for my room, so I plan to share that with you guys in the video. A few weeks ago I did share the artwork that I'm going to use in my room. So yeah, so I may pull the artwork back out and just kind of see how it coincides with the rug. I still haven't determined a color scheme. I have an idea, but I still haven't pretty much determined a color scheme yet. But what I have brought so far pretty much coordinates. So I'll figure it out somewhere along the way. So if you're interested in some organization motivation, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm going to use some furniture shrink wrap to wrap the furniture for the buyer once I'm done removing all of my items. But these black and yellow bins are what I'm going to use to store my items until my new furniture arrives. They're very roomy and they pretty much work like Legos, so you can stack them on top of each other. They're easy to store. They're pretty much like space savers, and I purchased these from Home Depot. I have 2 different sizes, 2 large ones and 2 small ones. I'm going to start by removing all of my items out of the dresser. I have 4 dresser drawers that are full of shirts, so I'm just going to put them in one big pile and then start to sort. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm probably about an hour into my organization project. I have 3 piles here. This is the first pile. So this is the stuff that needs to be hung up in the closet. So I'm going to hang this stuff up. This is the stuff that I'm planning to keep. This is the pile of the stuff that I'm planning to get rid of. And this is the pile of the stuff that I'm planning to keep, but that will go back in the dresser drawer. So I'm hoping everything will fit in the new dresser. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to do this again, because I don't it's pretty much, most of it is like my tank tops. I'm keeping all of my pink stuff because it's just comfortable and I love it, but most of these are like my tanks that I don't really want to, you know, get rid of. So I want to keep all of my tanks because I can always use these to wear up under stuff. So that's what a lot of it is, I think. You know, my tanks like these from Express and stuff like that. So hopefully everything will fit. I'm going to use the roll method, and then I'm going to place everything in this bin until I order my dresser. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now I have created a 3 piles. One is the items that need to be hung up in the closet. The other one is the things that will go, and I will give them to Goodwill if they are fit to give to Goodwill. If not, then I will throw them away. But I am pretty much using the rolling folding method to store the items that I plan to keep in the storage bins. Using this method, it will pretty much allow me more room to keep more items, and it is also a space saving way to store your clothes. A lot of people use this when they pack for trips to be able to take more clothes on your trip. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I pretty much was able to fill a 12-gallon storage bin to the top with, as you can see, no room to spare. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm probably about halfway done and I'm tired. That's one thing about getting organized. Once you pretty much start it, you have to finish it. But I'm now on my belts, so I'm getting rid of belts that I definitely are not going to wear. This is a gold sequence belt, and then I also have belts where the coating has started to come off. I have a ton of underwear that is old. I probably have about 40 or 50 pair of underwear that I'm going to throw away. So I'm just going to go through these belts, and then I'm going to show you guys the rug along with the wall art so you can kind of get an idea of where I'm going. And I bought a quilt as well from Pier 1, so I'm going to share that with you guys as well. I believe that's going to be part of the bedding that I use. And then that's going to be it, because I'm tired. And I had to stop and, you know, do something else, so that's why I have on makeup. But I'm tired and I'm ready to be done with this. Pretty much ready to be done with this organization project, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 dresser drawers out of 11 completely cleared out. I have 1 garbage bag full of plastic bag full of clothes that I'm going to take to Goodwill, and I have 1 pretty much trash bag. This one is going to go in the trash. So that was just stuff that I did not feel that was fit enough to give away, whether it had holes in it or it just had too much wear and tear on it. And I'm going to take those to the Goodwill. And then so I have 1, 2, 3 left, which will be my shorts, my capris, and my dresses and rompers. So I just need to organize those and get those ready. And then I have to clear the nightstands, and that'll be it. So once I do that, I'm going to wrap it up with the furniture wrap and just get it ready to be picked up. I told her that I would wrap it up with the furniture wrap because I think it's going in storage. So just, you know, it'll protect from any dents or whatever. So I'm getting ready to open the rug, unbox the rug with you guys, because I want you to see that. So the only thing that I have bought for the decor for my bedroom is the wall art. And I shared that in a few videos back, but if you didn't get a chance to see that, I'll share it again in this video. I'm going to unbox the rug, and then I purchased a quilt from Pier 1, and then I ordered another quilt in a different color. So I'm going to share that with you guys, and then we'll end the video. If you have not seen the wall art, here it is right here. It came from Z Gallery, and it'll go on that wall right there where you see the dresser. It'll go on that wall. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the rug so you guys can see that. This ottoman I'm gonna give that to my daughter. So once I get my new bed up, there won't be anything in front of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that ottoman. That way I can unbox the rug. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I don't have enough room to roll the rug completely out, but I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of how it looked and how it flowed so well with the wall art. So I'm just gonna kind of show you the colors of the rug. I purchased it from Overstock, but they actually have this rug at Z Gallery for, I think, let me check. The rug is actually a 5 by 6 and 11 inches. And it's on Z Gallery website for $2.99. You might can't see that because of the glare. But it's on Z Gallery website for $2.99, and I paid $130 for it from Overstock. So just shop around. Don't go with the first thing you see. Just shop around, because I had been following it on Z Gallery website, you know, just watching it just as I normally do when I see something that I want to buy. And then I started searching other websites for it, and I found it. And the rug is advertised for $299.95, and it's called the Stardust Rug. So I will link it below. Well, I will link it in the description box if you're interested. So just let me show you the colors of the rug. So take a look at the wall art, and it has pretty much all of the colors. You see the teal color, which I'm planning to bring out in my bedroom, and then you see it has the teal going through it. Of course, it has the purple, if I wanted to bring out the purple. It also has a little hint of the red in there, and you also see the red in the wall art. And then it also has some grays and some pinks as well on this side. And then you have that on the edge, you have like a dark blue. I didn't realize it had the fringes on the end, but you know, that's fine. It'll pretty much go where you see it at, but it will be up under the bed, just coming out a little bit. So I just wanted you guys to get a look at the rug and how it goes so well with the wall art. It's going to be so pretty, and it's going to coordinate so well. Oh, so that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. This has been a real busy day. Not only have I been organizing, but I also you know, went live on Instagram with Lakeisla today. So it's been a real busy day, and I'm tired, and I'm ready to lay down, and I'm ready for the day to be over with. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I know I said in the beginning that I was going to use the KonMari method in order to get rid of some stuff, but there pretty much was nothing that I was on the fence about. Once I seen all of that pile of clothes, I pretty much knew what needed to go and what I wanted to keep. And you know, I feel a little relieved that I was able to eliminate some stuff. But I think moving forward, as far as clothes is concerned, I'm just going to purchase things based on the, what do I want to say, the storage that I have for it. So, you know, if I'm packing stuff down in my dresser drawer, that is an indication that either I need to stop buying or I need to get rid of some stuff, because I was kind of a little bit aggravated with all of the stuff that I had that I should have gotten rid of. It was just, you know, just clutter and just stuff that I don't need, I don't wear, I don't use. You know, so I'm glad I was able to get some things accomplished, but I'm just anxious to get it all done with. And I said moving forward, I'm going to start doing some things differently. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I almost forgot to show you the quilt that I ordered from Pier 1. It's very similar to my purple quilt that you see on my bed, but it's in a different color. I really love this quilt. It's in like a charcoal color, and then it has like the ridges in it. It looks really nice. And I also ordered it in a teal color that has not came yet. If you guys aren't aware, Pier 1 is going out of business, so this is a great time to take advantage of the sales and anything that they're offering. Other than that, lifestyle lovers, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope everyone is being safe and continue to stay encouraged, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.